All right, now we're going to talk about factoring trinomials. Okay, so quadratic trinomials. So this is a quadratic trinomial. So we notice we have a leading coefficient a x squared plus bx plus c. So this is in quadratic form. So again, this is what we call a quadratic trinomial. And so the way we're going to handle these is, let me do an example here. If I take 2x plus 3 and I take x plus 2, so what we do is, in this case when we're multiplying out, we just use the distributive property twice. So we're going to distribute this among these two, or between these two. So we get x times 2x plus 3 plus 2 times 2x plus 3, right? Now we're going to distribute again. We're going to distribute the x here. So that's going to give us 2x squared plus 3x plus, 4x plus 6, right? And just double check. So I've got 2x squared plus 3x plus 4x plus 6. Now, then at this point, I just add like terms and I get 2x squared plus 7x plus 6. And so notice how I ended up with this quadratic trinomial. Okay. Now, all we're going to do in factoring is we're going to go the process the other direction. Now notice a couple of things here. That this is a product, right, of these two, right? So this will always give us a product of the first two terms here. The last term, the constant term, will give us the product of these two. And then the middle term is the product of this times this plus this times this. So the outer plus the product of the outer plus the product of the inner. And so that's going to be key to helping us figure out the factoring. Okay? All right.